Thanks for checking out this video. This video is absolutely insane. It's one of the craziest turkey hunts I've literally ever been a part of. I've got to give you a little bit of backstory so you understand it, because I didn't have my camera gear. I did film from my phone and I did get the kill on camera, but I wanted to make sure that you guys knew what was going on before I showed you what the hunt was all about. In the video that you're about to see, I mentioned that me and my buddy Austin, we had just gotten back from fishing. We had been fishing all day. You know, right now we're fishing turkey hunting, and we had gotten back to my truck and I was about to go home. I think we were actually taking our wives to go eat or something, and we were like, hey, let's just see if we can hear a turkey gobble. It's on his family property, and it's a piece of property that he heard a turkey on, knows that, you know, turkeys are in the area, and he just throws out a shot gobble as we get out of the truck. He just does a crow call with his mouth, and a turkey gobbles on top of the hill. So we freak out. We grab all of our stuff. I've got a 410 over and under that a buddy of mine is letting me use, that I hadn't killed anything with it yet. He was like, hey, you want to kill one with a 410? Because I was telling him that was, you know, a goal of mine. He was like, here you go, you know, you have it. I had my 410, I had some of my camo, and a jacket for Austin to throw on, because we were fishing. He had khakis, he had a gray t-shirt on. I gave him my camo, I had some camo, and we hauled tail up this hill. And in the video, you can literally hear us almost passing out because of how hard we're breathing. But we're trying to get to a blind that's on top of the hill to beat the turkeys to where we can call. And like where we were set up on a ridge where the blind was, and the turkeys, what we thought, were on top of the ridge. And to our surprise, the turkeys were actually right over the ridge that was parallel to us, and they ended up getting on us way faster than what we thought. We couldn't even make it into the blind, and I was stuck. You noticed in the video, I was stuck basically just filming Austin because I had the turkeys to my back, and he was like, oh my gosh, they're topping the hill. So I was frozen. That's why I couldn't move. And so if you're wondering, hey, you know, what the heck's going on? These turkeys are it was 3 of them. It ended up being a Tom with a hen, and we think was a Jake. And they topped the ridge and had me pinned. I was just backed up against a tree, and Austin was trying to figure out, you know, when I could come to the blind, because he was kind of tucked behind the blind watching the birds. You can hear the bird gobbling. You can hear the hen, answering back to him. The hen's trying to find me because I'm trying to do a call too. It was just absolute utter chaos. So I eventually make it to Austin. We're both behind the blind. We're trying to see if those turkeys are going to work our way. And sure enough, that hen, as I'm trying to throw the call, making it sound like I'm behind, you know, the hill behind us, I try to scratch in the leaves while I'm laid down, crawling to him. The hen ends up working in front of us, and then the Tom ends up coming behind the hen. So it's insane. I just wanted to give you a little bit of the story. That way you just weren't absolutely confused of what was going on, because we were confused. We were like, how the crap is this even happening? But anyway, with that said, enjoy this video. It seriously is one of the craziest hunts that I've ever been a part of. Come on. We got turkey up here. He's dying. We literally threw on camo. I've got camo from this morning, but thank God this blind's up top. See if we can ease in here and kill him. Go ahead. Hold up, wait. Let's see. You swear?
I swear, he's going up.
The hill?
Yeah, don't move.
Tell me when.
Not yet.
Oh, shoot. Don't let him see us. Don't let him see us.
Do it again. Wait. Come here.
You sure?
I he's working up this way.
Does he see us?
There's two of them. Yes.
How far?
Straight ahead. Oh, don't move.
I got this tree. Don't let them see you. Tell me when I'm good.
I'm going around. Don't move.
Oh my God.
That's them. Oh, he's a monster.
How far?
There's three of them.
How far?
They're coming in. They're on the other ridge. Don't move. He's striking good.
Are you kidding?
I'm dead serious. Beautiful. There's three of them. Don't move.
Don't let them see you.
They can't see me. I'm still light.
Oh my God. Can I turn around?
What?
Can I turn around? Don't let them see you, Austin. Don't let them see you.
Let's see that one. Don't move. Get up.
Okay.
Don't see the dog.
Oh my
He's
God.
over there. I'm gonna have to call or something.
Tell me when I can move. Can I come to you? Can I come to you?
Very slow. They know we're over here. They're looking.
Oh, I see him. Oh my God.
There's three of them. He's starting to go down the hill. Put your hood on and just call. No. You're gonna have to call. They're going down the hill.
Running.
They're walking down the hill. The other hill. There's the street.
Don't move.
He's striding up.
Hold on. Where are they at? Don't move.
Straight across. Behind a tree from where you're standing. He's striding. I can see him from here.
Don't let them see.
Here. Another call. Go back down. It's okay. Here. Pull the gun.
Don't let them see. Hurry up.
Working around to the right.
Go.
You're kidding. Is it a hen? It's a hen. You're 10 yards. Tom is still over there.
Dude, do not let her see you. Oh, she's right here. Don't let her. She's right here. Oh, here they come. Don't move. Where? I got you. Don't move. She's working right here. Oh, is it? If she goes, they will follow. She does not need to see us.
Just don't move.
If she goes, we're in the clear and you need to kill him. Oh my God, this may happen. Where's she at? Don't let him see you. Don't let him through. Don't move. He's looking. Don't move. Shh. Don't move. It's okay. Don't move. He's gotta follow her.
She flew over the fence.
Oh, is she good?
She went over the hill. He's coming.
Austin, come here. Wait, is she still here? Look, is she still here? Oh, look, get right here in front of me. He's gonna follow. Get in front of me and get your gun up. Click the safety forward. Oh my God, you just killed him.
We freaking got him,
With the freaking
baby.
410 over and under.
Oh my God.
You were in litter khakis. Yes. Let's go. You just got him with a 410. Oh, where'd he go? Where? Where'd he go?
Wait, what the? He went down the hill.
Safety on? Oh God. Oh, leaves right here. He's in the creek, baby. He's in the creek. He's in the freaking creek, Austin. You just smoked the Tom with the 410. We just literally we just did that. There's no way we just did that. Oh my gosh, you did. That was crazy. Look at that. He was freaking spitting and drumming and everything. Oh my God. Yeah, get him here. Give me the gun. Oh my gosh. I cannot believe that just happened. Look at that, Tom. Austin, we just made this happen, baby. We just made this freaking happen. Oh my gosh. This is seriously one of the greatest hunts I've ever been a part of. Dude, that 410 put the whammy on, bro. That was crazy. That was crazy. You killed one before I did with this 410.
Dude.
Oh my gosh.
Incredible.
Look at that bird. Look at that bird. You smoked him. Spitting and strutting. I wish I could get it on film. Look at that tail. Fan him out. Fan him out. He's wet now, so dadgum, he got all wet and gross looking. Look at that fan. Look at the colors on the fan. Yeah, wet turkey's pretty nasty looking. Oh, he just splattered blood everywhere. Go get him. He'll mess up his feathers. Oh God, he's splattering everywhere. Dude, get him. Good grief. Hey, if he wasn't ugly looking now, or then, he is now. This is the turkey that I posted a video the other day on the hunt that I had a couple weeks ago, or a couple days ago. This turkey, he called with his mouth up to this blind the day before season. So anyway, we get here to the trucks and we're like, hey, let's just do a shot gobble just to see if he's up here. Sure enough, we do a crow call. He's up here on the hill. We absolutely haul tail all the way up this hill to the blind. We get in the blind. We don't even make it to the blind. I'm sitting there calling. Didn't know he was with hens. And I guess the other one was a legal bird.
Well, they started going back down the hill.
Was the other one a Tom or a Jake?
I think it was a Jake.
Okay, sweet.
Yep.
So yeah, he's Austin. I'm sitting there calling. Austin's like, oh my gosh. They're literally on this side of the hill. So they had to have seen us walk up, heard me calling, and was like, okay, well, I guess I'm gonna come check this out. And we had to just duck behind the blind because he also was like, don't move, they're on this other hillside. So I just laid down on the ground and bear crawled over on the other side of the blind. That hen made it from this ridge right here to us up on the hill in, minutes. She was 20 yards from us, maybe, and she hopped over the fence. And we could hear him spitting and drumming. Yep. We were basically just having to make sure that we didn't get caught. And I told Austin, as soon as she gets past, he's gonna follow her. And sure enough, dude, that's crazy. I cannot believe that just happened. Let's see, get the spurs.
8-inch beard. Yeah.
Oh man, yeah.
Good
Some of
spurs.
them hangers. Buddy. How long's it been since you killed a turkey?
2 years. I didn't go last year.
With
We were
freaking
so busy
14?
building.
Look, you in khakis. Dude. Oh, look at that wet bird. That's crazy. Good job, man. That's awesome.
Got her done.
That's crazy. All right, on to the next one.
Yep.
My mind's blown.